Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to connect Google Calendar on Calendly. When you connect to your Google Calendar on Calendly, it will help you manage your time efficiently and provides you seamless experience. To connect Google Calendar on Calendly, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.calendly.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Calendly. Now here you need to first log into your account. For this, click on login option on top right. Then here you need to enter your email address on the given email address box on the left side. Then click on login option. With this, now here you need to enter the correct password of your account. After you enter your password, click on continue option. With this, now you'll be logged into your Calendly account. Now here you can see event types. Now click on your profile on the top right corner. Then you can see a small box on the right side. Under it you can see calendar sync option. Click on calendar sync. Then you'll be directed to another page. Now here you can select different kind of calendars. Now here you can see Google Calendar option under Google. Click on connect option on the side of Google Calendar. With this, now here you need to log into your Google account. So select your Google account. After this, click on continue option to sign in. Then you need to click on allow. With this, now Google Calendar will be added on your Calendly. As you can see here, Google Calendar has been added to my calendar account list. This is how we can connect Google Calendar to Calendly. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.